okay, don't worry.
Yeah, I have rescued a bird. It fell down on somewhere else near my house. It looks beautiful and the wing is not working. Broken. The wing has broken. So we just went to. It doesn't like to eat bread or fruit, so we went to buy this. I hope that it will eat some of this, so not to waste my money.
So now we are going to
Try to give it some water. Because it was crying very badly.
loudly. It was screaming.
Okay, seems like it doesn't need water.
You don't want water?
Then I'm going to
Worms?
worms. That's my biggest fears.
Are you eating?
No. Oh, he doesn't like worms at all. I think he might eat the worm. Let me try again.
Maybe you feed some water to make it quiet.
We found a trick. We found a trick to make it quiet. Just give it some water. And where's the worms?
Underneath.
No, go away. Go away.
Wait. Stop screaming like.
The worm is very strong.
Okay. Eat now.
Okay, maybe we walk away.
Okay, spray water again.
That's scary.
Why you so fierce? You are like angry bird. Okay, no one. Okay, I think we leave it alone.
Okay.
With the worm.
It works. Every time I spray water, it will be quiet. Okay, let me clear away the ants around it, because earlier we put some banana, and I think the ants is coming for the banana.
We thought it might be hungry,
Yeah.
but it turned out not.
Eating anything.
Yes, not hungry and
Panicking.
panicking
And what I'm going to do with the worms?
very bad tempered.
Okay.
I know you can fry it and then we eat. Eat lah. Eat. Come.
You need that way.
And what is this?
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to. I think you should eat something, right? Okay, stop recording.
Okay, we'll wait for the bird rescuer to come then. Just now we were googling the web and then using the Google camera lens to look for the name, but to no avail. We couldn't find the name. Then suddenly Jim had an idea. He decided to go to the Singapore Bird Club, right?
Yeah.
The bird group, and then
They gave us a name. They told us a name that is called the dollar bird.
yeah, so it's a dollar bird.
Yeah. So which means that it has something looks like a coin under the belly, right?
Coin-shaped blue spots under the wings,
Under the wing.
which we can't see now. That's not arrow. Irritated.
Sound very scared because when it's scream, it sounds very scary.
The screaming is very scary. It's not so much the bird, but the screaming.
It sounds like cat crying or baby
Yeah,
crying.
and just now on the way back, right, I feel like an ambulance is behind me. It's very scary.
Yeah, it did.
Okay, so hopefully it's a bit more calm now, and hopefully the bird rescuer is on their way already, so that they can attend to it and treat it soon and let it recover.
Yeah, and it's a winter escape bird, so I think it flew from Australia or somewhere else.
Yeah, we read that it's there's a species in Southeast Asia, but also at the same time it is also present in North Australia as well. So it's quite interesting that we come across, and according to the Singapore Bird Group, right, this is actually a baby dollar bird.
Yeah.
So we are not sure how, maybe it was trying to fly and then it hit something.
Yeah, because the left wing totally is like broken.
Yeah.
It can be twist like almost 27 degrees.
Yeah,
It's very scary. It's very sad to see that.
Yeah, and it thought that we are going to harm it when actually we are actually trying to rescue it. So we can see it fluttering its wings.
Yeah.
And that's when I spotted the spots underneath the wings, which Jim didn't see.
I didn't see that because I'm trying my best to. I took off my singlet and then I just cover it and then close his eyes so it won't be that panic. And it was like scream out so loud, and then like along the way all the neighbor came up to see
find out like what's going on.
Yeah, it's really loud, really
and
loud.
Very interestingly, when it enters our house, right, it suddenly kept quiet.
Yeah. Okay.
So let's wait for the bird rescuer to come. The dollar bird. We are very happy because the dollar bird just ate the worm that we bought.
So let me try
first
again.
worm. So let's try again to see. I think you need to aim properly. We went out grocery shopping, and then we went to a bird shop to buy some worms for it, just in case it's hungry. Because earlier on we tried to feed it with bread and banana, but it's not it rejected the food that we gave. So okay, let's spray some water. We find out that if you spray water into the mouth, then the mouth will shut.
Poor worms.
The worm was being flung out. I think you need to find something that is more
smaller,
not so alive. Hang on, dollar bird.
Oh, I found one.
Okay.
It's quite challenging.
The worm is very strong.
You can feel it, right? I mean, you can see, right? Do I need to kill it first?
No.
Okay.
Hey. Wait.
Oh, he ate it! Ooh, he spat it out. So it doesn't like the worms.
The worm is dead.
Okay.
No, I think it's trying to eat.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
so that's all.
That's all.
Now I'm waiting for the rescue team come to take this bird to medical help. Still look a little bit panicked, but hope that the medical rescue team will give you the good treatment. I'll see you. I'm not sure you'll bite me or not. Bye bye. Do come back to find me, okay? And it start to let me touch you.
Bye-bye. Sean is coming here to say bye-bye to this dollar bird. Yeah. So it's the first time you touch bird, right? Yes. So it's warm. Just now I tried to pick it up and then it's like, I think it's in pain. So it's like it scream out very loud that Sean can hear it from the kitchen. And now it's like, it's come down a little bit. So yeah.
Should take a selfie with it. Okay. So the wildlife rescue is here.
It screamed
very loud, like crying baby. It's very scary. Yeah. We do it on our YouTube
Does it
video.
attempt to fly off?
Sorry?
Does it attempt
No,
to fly off?
No,
not at all.
Yeah.
It was just lying down.
The wing can be like twisted like the basic
Yeah.
like
200.
very bad.
Yeah.
It will scream.
Oh, okay.
Oh, very beautiful. It's beautiful. It's like it was saying that there's like a dollar note. It's like humans, right? You are very loud. And then I think the wing is hurt. So it's broken. The whole wing is.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's why I was saying that it shouldn't fly. So it should be very painful. It's still working, this one. And I felt it warm, that you have to force it. And
Where
then
do you
just
actually find this? Like,
inside the basketball court.
Basketball court.
And there's some, I think it's a baby. Because I asked some of, yeah. And then there's a parents following around this area, but it's gone. I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway, this guy won't fly
Anymore.
once they break the wings.
That's so sad. But I think it's still quite small, so it really needs to be fed.
Yeah, these are the baby feathers.
Oh, so it's baby feather.
normally young birds, they're a bit fluffier.
I see.
Ah.
Okay.
The feathers are more to keep them warm than for flight.
I see.
Oh.
So what can we do with this? Like, can I visit it?
Okay, I'll give you a brochure. If you are interested, you can actually volunteer with us to look after our animals.
It's my second time. Last time I caught a python. It's also around here. It's like a baby python.
So if you're interested to volunteer with us, then you can actually look after the animals, or you can do wildlife rescue with us as well.
I am a photographer, so I can help out.
Yes, you'll be interested.
I can send you the photo of it. I took some nice photos.
There's an email address there.
Okay.
And this one.
Okay. If you don't want to give it,
I got nothing. Oh! I have to open up, there will be a big box. That's an iguana inside. Somebody's abandoned. They went to rescue the iguana.